Homework number 2. The first problem is a code review task. I would like you to read, understand the above code very carefully, which has a constructor for hours, minutes, and seconds, a method to return the current minutes, the current seconds, and a function representing the str, and this is some usage for it. As a team leader, you are requested to review the previous code. Figure out all the possible concerns in the previous code. For example, what about the code readability? What about the printing? Any issues? Can the user create a valid timers and still get unexpected answers? And so on. Think about that. In the second problem, we have a change request. All the time in the industry, we get code changes. The best code is the one that really is flexible for changes, and we can do the minimum number of changes to get things done. Assume for a while, and it's a very artificial situation, that we are moving to mobile environment and the memory is very limited. We would like to move to a single integer only, which is the total seconds, instead of the 3 variables. Specifically, the major variable in the whole class would be only the total seconds instead of the 3 variables. This is very artificial scenario, but just for teaching purposes. However, notice the following. There are a lot of code base that depends on our code. We need to provide the changes that are compatible with the previous code. For example, notice that the old construction is a constructor that takes 3 parameters, but now we would like also to be supporting 1 parameter. So this is like an issue now. One object or 3 objects as arguments. Also the attributes. The attributes still should be accessible. We will not change all of this code. If we can be smart and provide something that allows the accessibility, then we also provide some compatible changes. Also remember before proceeding with this code to consider my comments here in the code review of this problem. That's all.